Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can save the login information of your Instagram account. So if you have multiple Instagram accounts and you want to save that login information so you can easily switch between your accounts, you can do that within the settings of Instagram. So I'll open up Instagram, and then once you're on the home page, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. From here you want to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. From here you want to select the settings page. Now you have a couple of options. You can try and find that setting by going through all the different settings, but all you need to do is tap on the search bar, which is located right at the top. Tap on the search bar, simply type log in. You'll notice that the second option there is saved login information. You want to tap on that, and this is where you find that setting. You can see saved login is on, but if it's like this and you turn it off, you want to make sure that you toggle it on so it's blue, and it says it'll remember your account info for you on this device. You won't need to enter it when you log in again, and that's what we want. So that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.